This is our popular 1987 Irwin 52 Ketch, and it continues to grow its following over time. There were more than 250 boats launched between 1976 and 1987, and this is the newer and more popular Series 2 model. The interior provides 6'6" headroom and a 3-cabin layout with a spacious main salon and a roomy Island Queen master to aft. Even the center cockpit offers space and headroom not typically available in a yacht that a couple can manage. This vessel offers substantially more than a mid-40s center cockpit boat, yet it can still be sailed and docked by 2 people. She's a beautiful boat with clean lines and is capable of going anywhere in comfort and safety. She has had several upgrades in 2020, including solar panels, so be sure to take a look at the listing for all of the details and enjoy the walkthrough. We hope you enjoyed this video walkthrough of our 1987 Irwin 52 Ketch. As always, the full specs and asking price are at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing for more video walkthroughs. For more listings, visit our website.